You asked, how to divide 6,253 by 4 using the long division method. 6 divided by 4 equals 1. 1 times 4 equals 4. 6 minus 4 equals 2. Bring down 2, making 22. 22 divided by 4 equals 5. 5 times 4 equals 20. 22 minus 20 equals 2. Bring down 5, making 25. 25 divided by 4 equals 6. 6 times 4 equals 24. 25 minus 24 equals 1. Bring down 3, making 13. 13 divided by 4 equals 3. 3 times 4 equals 12. 13 minus 12 equals 1. The remainder is 1. The final result is 1563 remainder 1.